Alright, I did a thing. I did a couple of things actually. I ordered a few things for the truck off of eBay. And one of them just happened to be a camshaft. I wonder if I can set this up a little straighter. There we go. Elgin Pro Stock Performance Camshafts. Note: new Elgin lifters should always be installed with a new camshaft. Not today. This is my 5.3. This is my S10. My 4L80 is sitting in the house. My nephew cleaned the bell housing on it a little bit last night because I busted 2 of the ears off of it, and my boss is gonna weld it up for me here in the next couple of days. I got text alerts this morning saying that it was on its way, that it was going to have the signature signed pickup or drop off or whatever. So I'm like, alright, I had to work all day, no big deal. I'll get the text alert when it gets delivered and I'll come home. I don't live very far from work. So I got the text alert. My phone number's right on the box. On the delivery box, it is. My phone number, my address, everything that guy needed to get a hold of me. I just ordered this yesterday. Which that was pretty cool of them. I don't live very far from, I guess, where this company was. performanceparts.com. I got it off of eBay, but the company that I ordered it from just happened to be in Lexington, Kansas, which isn't very far from me because I live right here in Missouri. So, but I ordered it off of eBay, and I got the text alert saying that it had been delivered, and come home, and on my way home I was getting ready to cut the corner down to my street, and I seen the FedEx guy leaving over by where my house is. So I stopped him. I said, did you just drop a package off at 810 East blah blah blah? He's like, yeah. He's like, it was a long box about this long. I said, yeah, it was pretty important. He's like, yeah, the lady across the street come over and said she was your landlord and that she would sign for it, so I left it with her. I guess I just need to go around and start picking up people's freaking camshafts from now on, since they'll just leave them with anybody. Damn FedEx guy, that was bullcrap, man. I'm upset about that. I haven't popped nothing loose off of here yet. I got some of the oil pan bolts. Ooh, I need to drain that oil. Well, maybe not. Maybe not. I'm trying to do this without as little undoing as possible. I need a screwdriver. I just built my little shed here the other day. Oh, about a month or so ago now, I guess. I've been moving stuff out here to it here recently. Where can I set you up at? I did just build this motor not that long ago. About 3 months, 4 or 5 months ago, I don't know. It's been a minute, I guess now. I keep forgetting that this is already January. This is the first camshaft swap I've ever done. I've built motors before, stock motors that is. I've built stock motors before, so that ain't no big deal. But this is the actual first camshaft swap that I've ever done. I really do need to pull that oil pan down a little bit more. I think I am just going to drain that oil. Oh. I don't know exactly how much oil's in it. I'm pretty sure it's got all it needs to run though. Oh, real quick. I almost forgot. I went to O'Reilly's and got their little puller, which neither of them stupid little bars, I don't know if I'm doing it wrong or what, but, and that's the thing, you would think that that bar right there would be long enough because of the fact that it's as long as that damn, well, I guess this is a 6-inch extension, and that is a 5.5-inch adapter rod. But because this stops a little shorter in the crank, for some reason it works better. But the beginning of 19, I went and I bought a bunch of stupid little bits and pieces of tools from this place outside of town that buys and sells cheap or cheaper than Harbor Freight stuff. And some of the stuff I got from him is pretty alright. Don't get me wrong, it's not junk. Like these little scrapers, I got them from him. I got that chisel and punch set from him. I got that screwdriver set from him. Those picks I got. It's pretty much Harbor Freight quality or less than Harbor Freight quality. And the one thing I got was this 3-jaw puller set and 8-inch puller, gear puller, but it's 3-jaw puller set. And I'm telling you, them damn things were junk. The only thing I am going to use them for from now on is a damn flywheel holder, because that is all they're damn good for, is just jamming up stuff. They are weaker than heck. They can't grab onto the harmonic balancer here or here. I mean, I don't know what the deal with them is. They are just junk. But what was I doing? Oil. Alright. Get this out of the way. This motor was all put into that S10, except, I mean, it wasn't running or nothing. It was just put in. I've been mocking everything up. I needed to mock up my transmission cross member. I want to make sure I don't spill none of this. Not that I might necessarily reuse it as such, but I just don't want it all over the place. I'm putting it in open containers so I can see it real good, because this is the same oil that's been in there since I put the motor together. And I I want to get a good look at it. I mean, it's just Walmart oil. Went up to O'Reilly's just a little bit ago. This is Tuesday the 7th. I don't know, 7:30, 8 o'clock in the evening. I just went up there to O'Reilly's just a few minutes ago to get that puller. And there must have been 10, 12 trucks up there of all the younger kids in town. I'm not originally from this little town. My wife's family is. But there must have been every bit of 8 or 10 or more trucks up there of kids that all either have worked up at O'Reilly's at one point in time or are just all friends of guys that have worked up there, because I see some of them behind the counter sometimes looking at parts and stuff because they're all friends and whatnot, which it ain't no big deal. I don't care. But it was story time up at O'Reilly's, and this kid up there's got a second generation Ford F-150 Lightning. And I guess he is under the impression, or is damn certain, that that thing is the tits. Because I hear about him from other kids and stuff like that. I'm 32 years old, so I'm no kid by any means. But oh my God, I'm gonna dump that all over the place. But I hear of how everybody, he's raced a few kids or people in that truck of his, and how it's just, I guess, balls out the best damn thing since sliced bread. Because they were just talking about how it was spinning tires and popping over the speedometer and just going crazy about how super awesome it was going and running. About freezing ass cold out here, but I'm done wasting time. I want to try and get this truck built as soon as humanly possible. So that is what I'm doing. I am putting together a 5.3 Chevy engine. I love this little impact. I paid $50 for that thing from a guy on Facebook, and it's just the beans. Oh, well, there's my wife. I guess the dog's got into her makeup. I'll be right back.